On April 7th, which was on Monday, Cabinet approved the amendments of the 2014 Motor Vehicle Import Policy as it relates to public passenger vehicles to include the following. For the public passenger transport sector, imported vehicles with seating capacity not exceeding 8 persons must not be older than 10 years, up from 8 years. Imported vehicles with seating capacity between 12 and 15 persons must not be older than 15 years. And imported vehicles without seating capacity between 26 and 32 seats must not be older than 15 years. So let me give you a background as somebody who is familiar with this industry. The average age of the public transportation vehicles that we see on the road with the red plates is 15 years old. So they are aged, they are not fuel efficient, they have been on the roads for many years, and they are not giving the comfort and the efficiency to the commuters. We had imposed a policy in 2019 where we had made amendments specifically for the public transportation sector. For whatever reason, the full benefit did not reach to the taxi operator because he would either have to go to the dealer and buy them at a higher markup or whatever it was. So in doing this, I took into consideration the advice from the Public Transportation Steering Committee, which I formed when I became minister in 23. What does this do for the public passenger operator, public vehicle operator? He has the option to apply for an import license in his company's name or his personal name. He has the option to import that vehicle directly by going online to the auctions, going to direct to suppliers in Japan or wherever else, and buy it at source, which means that he's not being held to the point of where he has to pay additional cost to dealers, middlemen, whoever you call it.